Welcome back to BikeZone channel. Today we dive into the Honda RC51, has a legacy in the world of motorcycles, tracing back to its introduction in 2000 as a true racing machine, specifically designed to dominate in the World Superbike Championship. Known for its unique 999cc V-twin engine, distinctive styling and impressive track performance, the RC51 quickly gained a cult following. Now, Honda has revived this icon for 2025, with a modernized approach to power, handling and technology, while staying true to its racing roots. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 RC51 honors its heritage with design cues from the original but integrates a sleeker, more aerodynamic profile. You'll recognize the iconic dual headlights, though they're now LED, providing a sharp and aggressive look. Honda has retained the sharp, angular lines but refined them to improve aerodynamics and reduce drag. Available in Honda's classic red and white racing colors, the new RC51 is as visually striking as it is powerful, merging nostalgia with a modern edge. Engine and performance. The 2025 RC51 stays true to its V-twin heritage but embraces modern advancements. The new 1000cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine is lighter, more efficient, and more powerful, delivering a robust 170 horsepower. With advancements in fuel injection and Honda's VTEC technology, the engine provides a smoother, more responsive throttle. This means not only high power at the upper end, but also impressive torque across the mid-range, making the RC51 both fast and versatile on the track and street alike. Handling and suspension. Handling has always been a cornerstone for the RC51, and Honda has taken this to a new level in 2025. The aluminum twin spar frame has been redesigned to reduce weight and improve rigidity, giving riders more control and stability at high speeds. Honda's state-of-the-art semi-active suspension now comes standard, allowing the bike to adjust to various road conditions in real time, providing a smoother and safer ride. Together, these upgrades make the 2025 RC51 feel agile yet rock-solid in the tightest corners and most demanding turns. Electronics and technology. The 2025 RC51 is packed with cutting-edge electronics, seamlessly blending Honda's legendary reliability with modern technology. The bike now includes a 5-inch TFT display, complete with customizable ride modes, traction control, cornering ABS and wheelie control. Bluetooth connectivity lets riders monitor performance data and make adjustments via the Honda smartphone app. Additionally, the quick shifter with an auto blipper is standard, enhancing gear shifts on both upshifts and downshifts. These updates place the RC51 firmly in the 21st century, bringing the legendary model up to par with today's superbike standards. Riding experience. On the road, the 2025 Honda RC51 is a balanced combination of raw power and finesse. Whether on a track day or a spirited street ride, riders will appreciate the smooth yet thrilling performance, razor-sharp handling and comfortable ergonomics. Honda has engineered this RC51 to appeal to both hardcore sport riders and dedicated RC51 fans who want an authentic yet updated experience. Conclusion. With the 2025 RC51, Honda pays homage to a classic while moving forward with modern innovations that meet today's high-performance standards. It's a rebirth that respects the past and embraces the future, making it a must-watch in the world of superbikes. For fans of the original RC51, or anyone who appreciates Honda's dedication to motorcycle engineering, this new model is sure to impress. Stay tuned for our in-depth review coming soon, only here on BikeZone. Thanks for joining BikeZone.